Today, we're taking you deep inside one of Europe's most advanced automotive facilities, where one of the world's most popular SUVs is brought to life. This is where raw steel transforms into the Kia Sportage, built with precision, speed, and cutting-edge technology in the heart of Slovakia. The journey begins long before the first bolt is tightened. Massive coils of high-strength steel arrive at the plant daily, each one weighing several tons. These steel sheets are the foundation of the Sportage's body. In the stamping hall, powerful presses shape the steel into doors, roofs, hoods, and structural panels with a thunderous rhythm. Every strike is calculated to the millimeter. Sensors constantly check for imperfections, ensuring every piece meets strict quality standards before it moves forward. Once stamped, these steel panels travel automatically to the welding section. Here, hundreds of robotic arms work in perfect synchronization, welding thousands of individual points within seconds. Sparks fly as the Sportage's body begins to take its recognizable shape. These robots don't tire, don't slow down, and don't miss a single weld. Each SUV body passes through multiple welding stages, forming its rigid safety cage that will later protect passengers on the road. After welding, each bare metal body is scanned by lasers that check alignment and structural accuracy down to microscopic levels. Any deviation is flagged instantly. Only perfectly aligned bodies continue forward, ensuring consistency across thousands of units produced every year. Next comes the corrosion protection process, one of the most critical stages in vehicle longevity. The body is submerged into massive chemical baths that fully coat every hidden crevice. This electrodipping process protects the Sportage from rust for years, even in harsh climates. After baking in enormous ovens, the body is stronger, sealed, and ready for color. In the paint shop, automation takes over once again. High-tech robots glide across the body, applying layers of primer, base color, and protective clear coat. Each spray pass is smooth, precise, and evenly distributed. Whether it's a bold red, sleek black, icy white, or metallic silver, every finish is designed to endure years of sunlight, rain, and road grime. The air inside the paint booths is ultra-filtered to eliminate dust, producing a flawless surface. Once painted and cured, the body enters the general assembly line, the stage where the Sportage truly comes alive. The interior installation begins with wiring harnesses that act like the nervous system of the SUV. These cables connect everything from the headlights to the infotainment system. Workers install insulation, sound-deadening materials, and dashboards with remarkable efficiency and skill. Seats arrive pre-assembled and are fitted into the cabin within seconds. At the same time, control modules, climate systems, steering components, and touchscreens are installed. The cabin that moments ago was an empty shell now looks and feels like a premium vehicle interior. As this is happening, another line is preparing the heart of the Sportage, the engine and drivetrain. Depending on the model, this could be a petrol engine, a diesel unit, a hybrid system, or a plug-in hybrid setup. Each engine is carefully assembled, tested, and inspected before it ever touches the vehicle. Transmissions are built in parallel, whether automatic, dual-clutch, or all-wheel drive systems. The most dramatic moment in the factory is known as the marriage, when the completed body is lowered onto the fully assembled drivetrain. This perfectly timed operation joins two massive components together in seconds. Once connected, the Sportage can finally move under its own power. From here, wheels and tires are mounted, fluids are added, and the SUV transitions from a static object into a functional machine. Brake fluid, coolant, engine oil, and even windshield washer fluid are filled by automated systems that measure exact quantities every time. Next comes detailed inspection and calibration. Headlights are aligned using laser precision. Cameras and driving assistance sensors are tested and adjusted. Touchscreens, navigation systems, speakers, parking sensors, and driver assistance technologies are all activated and checked. Every button, cruise control system, and safety feature must operate flawlessly before the vehicle is approved. The factory also simulates rain to test for water leaks. The Sportage is sprayed from every angle while sensors check for any moisture inside the cabin. Even the smallest leak means the vehicle is pulled from the line for correction. After passing water testing, the Sportage enters the final quality inspection area. Here, trained specialists examine panel gaps, paint quality, interior stitching, trim alignment, and material finishes. Nothing is left to chance. This is where human eyes meet robotic precision. Once approved, each finished Sportage is driven on a short internal test track within the factory. Braking, steering response, vibration, and acceleration are evaluated one final time. Only after passing every single test does the vehicle earn clearance to leave the production line. Outside, hundreds of completed Kia Sportage SUVs line up in massive holding yards, ready for shipment across Europe and beyond. From here, they travel to ports, dealerships, and eventually the driveways of owners around the world. What makes this Slovakian factory special isn't just its speed or size, it's the balance between automation and skilled human craftsmanship. Robots handle the heavy, repetitive, and ultra-precise tasks while trained technicians focus on quality inspection and detailed assembly work that still requires the human touch. Each day, thousands of workers and machines collaborate in a perfectly timed sequence to build one of Kia's most important vehicles. The Sportage you see on the road is the result of thousands of components, millions of data points, and an enormous effort of engineering, logistics, and quality control. So the next time you see a Kia Sportage driving past you, remember that under its sleek design lies an incredible story of steel, robotics, human skill, and relentless precision, all coming together inside this remarkable Slovakian manufacturing facility. If you enjoy seeing how modern vehicles are made and want more behind-the-scenes factory tours, make sure to stay tuned for the next journey into the world of automotive production. Stamping haul gigantic hydraulic presses slam down with enormous force, shaping flat metal sheets into complex body components in a matter of seconds. The sound is thunderous, echoing constantly as thousands of panels are formed every hour. Each piece is instantly checked by automated cameras and pressure sensors that scan for even the smallest defect, crack, or misalignment. Only flawless parts are allowed to move forward in the process. From here, the freshly stamped panels are carried by overhead conveyors and automated guided vehicles toward the welding zone. This is where the real transformation begins. Hundreds of synchronized robotic arms move with perfect rhythm, grabbing, positioning, and welding panels together with blinding speed. In just minutes, what was once a pile of flat steel becomes the recognizable skeleton of the Kia Sportage. Thousands of precise weld points are applied to each body. The accuracy is so extreme that even a fraction of a millimeter out of position would trigger an alert in the system. Sparks flash continuously as the body grows stronger and more rigid with every passing second. Advanced sensors monitor heat levels, weld penetration, and joint strength in real time to ensure maximum safety and durability. Once the main structure is complete, the body enters a detailed inspection phase. Laser scanners sweep across the entire frame, measuring alignment, symmetry, and structural accuracy down to microscopic levels. If the system detects even the smallest irregularity, that body is automatically removed from the line and sent for correction. Only perfectly formed bodies are allowed to continue. After passing structural inspection, the bare metal shell moves into one of the most important processes of the entire factory: corrosion protection. The body is slowly submerged into large treatment baths where an electric current helps bond protective chemicals to every exposed and hidden surface. Even the tightest seams and deepest cavities receive full protection. This process gives the Sportage the long-term durability needed to survive years of exposure to extreme weather, road salt, and moisture. Once fully coated, the body is baked in massive industrial ovens where the protective layer is cured into a hardened shell. After cooling, the body is completely sealed and ready for its transformation into a finished vehicle with color and style. In the paint shop, the environment changes completely. This area is one of the cleanest zones in the entire factory. The air is continuously filtered, and temperature and humidity are precisely controlled to prevent even a single dust particle from landing on the paint. Robotic sprayers begin by applying a smooth layer of primer, creating the perfect surface for the final color. Next comes the base color coat. Whether it's deep black, pearl white, ocean blue, or metallic silver, Each Sportage moves through a carefully programmed sequence of robotic spray arms that coat every contour evenly. The robots adjust pressure, angle, and spray pattern in real time to maintain absolute consistency. No two passes overlap incorrectly, and no area is left uneven. After the color is applied, a thick, transparent clear coat is sprayed on to protect the paint from UV rays, scratches, and everyday wear. The vehicle then enters another curing oven where heat hardens the finish into a durable, glossy surface that will shine for years on the road. Now fully painted, the body transitions into the general assembly area. This is where the Sportage truly begins to feel like a real vehicle. Workers and robots work side by side as wiring harnesses are installed throughout the body. These cables serve as the SUV's nervous system, connecting lights, sensors, screens, controllers, and safety systems. Sound insulation and vibration-dampening materials are fitted into the floor, doors, and roof to ensure a quiet and comfortable cabin. The dashboard structure is installed next, followed by the digital instrument cluster and center touchscreen system. Each electronic unit is connected and briefly powered on to confirm basic functionality at this stage. As the body continues down the line, the interior begins to take shape. Carpet, door panels, trim pieces, and roof lining are installed with incredible efficiency. Each interior component arrives at the exact moment it's needed, delivered automatically by logistics systems that track every part in real time. Pre-assembled seat units arrive next and are lowered precisely into position. The moment they lock into place, the empty metal shell instantly becomes a usable passenger cabin. Steering wheels, airbag systems, climate controls, and center consoles follow soon after, transforming the interior into a modern, high-tech driving environment. While all of this is happening, another part of the factory is building the mechanical heart of the Sportage. Engines are assembled piece by piece in a separate clean facility. Depending on the model, this could be a turbocharged petrol engine, a diesel unit, a full hybrid system, or a plug-in hybrid powertrain. Each engine is tested on dedicated rigs before being cleared for installation. Transmissions are built parallel to the engines. Automatic gearboxes, dual-clutch systems, and all-wheel drive components are carefully assembled and calibrated for smooth power delivery and long-term reliability. Every critical component is scanned, measured, and verified before moving forward. One of the most dramatic moments in the entire factory process happens during what workers call the marriage. This is when the completed painted body is lowered directly onto the fully assembled drivetrain. With perfect timing, the suspension, engine, transmission, and exhaust system align with the body and are bolted together within seconds. At this moment, the Kia Sportage officially becomes a functioning vehicle. Immediately after the marriage, the SUV gains its wheels for the first time. Tires and rims are mounted, and the vehicle rolls forward under its own weight. Fluids are added: next engine oil, brake fluid, coolant, transmission fluid, and washer fluid, all measured automatically to exact specifications. As the line continues to move, the Sportage enters a phase of intense electronic activation and calibration. Headlights are aligned using laser-guided systems. Radar sensors, cameras, and driver assistance technology are activated and precisely adjusted. Infotainment systems boot up, speakers are tested, and touchscreen responsiveness is verified. Every single electronic feature is checked for perfect operation. The SUV is then exposed to a simulated rainstorm in a sealed testing chamber. High-pressure water sprays attack the vehicle from every angle while sensors inside monitor for even a single drop of moisture. Door seals, window edges, roof joints, and underbody protection are all tested simultaneously under extreme conditions. After passing the water test, the Sportage moves into final inspection. Skilled quality control specialists carefully examine the exterior paint for any imperfections, check the alignment of body panels, inspect interior stitching, verify trim fitment, and confirm that every button, lever, and screen responds exactly as intended. Each vehicle is then driven on an internal test track within the factory. Acceleration, braking, steering response, suspension behavior, and noise levels are evaluated one final time under real driving conditions. Computers collect performance data while test drivers assess the vehicle's feel and responsiveness. Even after all of this, the process does not slow down. The Sportage continues forward through additional verification stages where emission systems, safety features, and onboard diagnostics are checked again before release. Outside the main factory halls, completed Kia Sportage SUVs begin to fill massive logistics yards. Row after row of perfectly finished vehicles stand prepared for global shipment. Some will be loaded onto trucks for local delivery, while others will be transported by rail and shipped to markets across Europe and beyond. Inside the plant, production never truly stops. Shifts rotate around the clock, machines are serviced without slowing a line, and new batches of steel arrive constantly to feed the next generation of Sportage models already in progress. Every second inside this Slovakian factory is governed by precision, timing, and coordination between thousands of workers and automated systems operating as one continuous organism, constantly building, testing, improving, and refining each vehicle as it moves forward through the never-ending flow of production. And when you step back and look at this entire process as a whole, it becomes clear that each single Kia Sportage is far more than just a vehicle. It is the result of thousands of synchronized actions, millions of calculations, and the combined effort of human expertise and advanced automation working in perfect harmony. From the first thunderous strike of steel in the stamping hall to the final test drive on the factory track, every step is designed to deliver precision, safety, reliability, and comfort. Every weld, every wire, every sensor, and every bolt plays a role in shaping a machine that will carry families, commute daily, explore highways, and travel countless kilometers across different countries and climates. This Slovakian factory is not just a place where cars are built. It is a living system that never truly sleeps. Day and night, production continues, innovation evolves, and quality is constantly refined. With each new generation of the Sportage, new technologies are introduced, efficiency improves, and standards rise even higher. When a finished Sportage finally leaves the factory gates and begins its journey to dealerships around the world, it carries with it the invisible signature of everyone who played a part in its creation, from engineers and technicians to designers, programmers, and assembly workers. So the next time you see a Kia Sportage driving past you on the road, you'll know that beneath its sleek exterior lies an incredible story of engineering, precision, teamwork, and relentless attention to detail, all born inside this remarkable manufacturing facility in Slovakia. And with every new model that rolls off this line, that story continues forward, one vehicle at a time. If you enjoyed going inside one of Europe's most advanced automotive factories and seeing how the Kia Sportage is brought to life, make sure you hit the like button to support the channel. Subscribe if you want more behind-the-scenes factory tours, futuristic car production, and next-generation vehicle technology from around the world. Let me know in the comments which car factory you'd like to explore next, and I'll see you in the next journey inside the world of automotive engineering.